We're not quite ready to drink. There's a few final bits that we need to do. On the subject of when did we become afraid to fail, today has had a couple of failures. The projector has been temperamental in multiple rooms. It's been allowed to fail. But despite all of that, can we not say that today was a huge success? Yes. Can we not say that the conference was a huge success? Things go wrong. So there's been some other failures. I was asked to do the introductory stuff, and then they went, oh, by the way, you're doing all the links, which is why I have been so woefully unprepared. And I'm also doing the thanks, and I am woefully unprepared for that, because I turned around and said, have we bought the gifts for all the volunteers? And everyone went, So thankfully, EG have stepped into the breach and have furnished me with gifts for volunteers. Thank you so much, EG. You have saved me. Please come again. So, we've had a bunch of people running behind the scenes, and I've made a list to make sure I don't forget anyone. So Kelly, can you come up here? Kelly? And Richard and Ellis? Come on. Can I ask that no one have any code of conduct problems or any fire things, because I'm also going to have to get the people off the back desk. So can I get Charlie? Can I get Aaron? Can I get Selena to come here, please? And Mez. Come on. Mez is going to hate me for this. Come on. Come on. So, to say thank you so much for all your hard work, you have EG Pop Cakes.
Oh,
there are other volunteers that I need to thank. Sophie, sadly, is not with us today. Not in that way. She's just she was unable to make it today. But yes, Sophie helped out, and also off their own back. Thank you so much to Q. Please come up. Q has helped running around, grabbing things, and has been so. I am promoting you to helper.
Honorary staff.
But of course, there are two people who are trying to get out of the limelight and run to the back of the room. Come here, Alex. Come here. Sean? Sean? I can see you. Come on. Come on. Come on. I believe this is your first conference that you've run. You have done fantastically well. It has been hugely enjoyable. Paul, what's your verdict? There you go. The man, if he'd said anything else, I would have brought him up here and thanked him as well. Thank you so much to everyone involved. Thank you so much to our sponsors for helping out. And thank you so much to everyone for coming. And if you want to submit a talk for next year, I believe these two have not had enough pain and are running next year. So, we're a little bit early. There will be wine at the back. There will be wine at the back. And anyone who's grabbed a conference dinner ticket will be going upstairs. Yes. Right. Thank you so much.